want the finest wines available to humanity. We want them here, and we want them now.
I like you.
Oh, do you like me more than you don't like me, or don't you like me more than you do?
Listen, we're bona fide. We're not from London.
You remember how dumb I used to be?
Yeah.
Well, I'm better now.
You are better now.
Hey up, hello and welcome. This is Tony from the Be Reet Radio Show, and over here
Steve from the Be Reet Radio Show.
And that, what you've just been listening to, is the reason I couldn't... well, it's the band.
You left me.
Why I had to desert Steve last week. I went to see them down by a place... It's a place right near Strange Ways Prison.
Oh, aye.
Dickinson Street.
I've never been anywhere near there, mate.
No. And that was Moon Landings and Psych Ersatz, and they did that on the night. It was very good.
Was that the Soup Dragon on the end there?
Yeah, sounded like it,
Sounded
didn't
like
it?
Soup Dragon, didn't it?
Yeah, it did sound good. It's good. And that gig was very good indeed, Steve. You missed it. Do you know what?
Well, I was there doing a show.
Yeah, I know, but I'd bought you a ticket.
Oh, yeah,
right?
Yeah.
And then I had to waste it.
Yeah, right.
Got wasted.
I couldn't make it because I was there doing a show.
Well, no one could come with me either, so it cost me twice as much. Good job I sneaked in.
So you know you paid, you still sneaked in.
Yeah, of course.
So you can't make all that bits, can you?
I know. Do you know what I hate about sales?
Sales?
Yeah, you know, when they say 50% off.
Yeah.
It's just like, it's 50% of the excitement of shoplifting is gone.
Exactly, yeah. It costs you
Stop
now
it.
anyway. Yeah.
Stop it doing that.
You can take the lad out of Salford.
Yeah.
And it'll be somewhere else.
So tonight what we're going to do, last night, because it's Friday today, let's get it right at this moment. If you're listening to it the first time, if you're listening to any other day, this probably doesn't make sense.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Salford Music Festival has started, and that was last night, it was Thursday. And so we're going to be looking at that, what's coming on primarily on Saturday night, because that looks like a really good night.
Yeah, it's a bugger, innit? Because we're torn.
Yeah.
Two cracking bands on the same time, isn't it?
Exactly the same time.
It always happens.
About 400 metres away from each other.
Yeah, if that, yeah. Now it is.
No. If you were really fit...
What do you want to do?
If you were really fit, though, you could leg it in between songs.
They should change the times round.
Yeah.
Just to suit us.
I could do that.
Suit
pull
us.
the plug, don't you?
Yeah, we'll go in and just mess with running order. Say, do you know who we are? Come on. We want to see this band and that band.
And we're going to be telling you more about Salford Music very shortly. And I think I would like to, I'm quite hungry and I like doing this. And I don't think any other radio show's done it. If they have, let me know. But we do a bit of cookery. Cookery on the wireless. Making stuff out of records. So we're going to maybe we normally make an omelette, don't we?
Let's have an omelette.
So yeah, because we always have the right... So like for an omelette, we're going to have... So like onions, lovely eggs and bell peppers. Might have a bit of meat in there, even though I don't eat it. That'd be J Meat, D Meat.
Meat Yard.
Now he's playing the Salford Music Festival as well, so we'll fit him. And a bit of Phyllis Dillon, a bit of tomato in there, and maybe some Andy Beans.
Andy Bean? Love Andy Bean.
It's going to be a nice one, yeah, he's great, isn't he? So, so that, and have we got the new track from Barry White in?
Well, he's done a mashup.
Right, a mashup?
A mashup, yeah. He's done Touch the Leather by a Fat White Family.
That's good.
He's very Fat White Family now.
Right.
Yeah, he's done that, but I'm not sure if it's any good.
Yeah.
So I might play that next week when I've worked on it a little bit.
I believe he's doing a duet as well with Diana Rosendale.
He is, Diana. It's the Ribble Valley's foremost Diana Ross tribute act.
Yeah.
Diana Rosendale. Yeah.
Yeah. Very good, that.
So it's all real, this.
I know.
Oh, hey, look at that for pudding there.
Oh, do you want to play that now, then?
Budo grape.
Yeah.
That can be a starter, can't it, grapes?
Oh, yeah.
Let's have grapes for a starter, then.
Yeah, we can. What we're going to have then? Some balsamic vinegar on them or something?
Yes. No. Just on roll.
Yeah.
With a cocktail stick on posh.
No, like worm reduction or something like that?
No.
Okay.
Or no jus.
Okay. Yeah. So is it jus?
Whatever you get.
Right, so we're going to have a Budo grape.
Yep.
わざとらしわざとらしわざとらししらじらししらじらししらじらしわざとらしわざとらしわざとらししらじらししらじらししらじらしあてこすりあてこすりあてこすりそらぞらしそらぞらしそらぞらしあてこすりあてこすりあてこすりそらぞらしそらぞらしそらぞらし 煩わし煩わし煩わし嘆かわし嘆かわし嘆かわし煩わし煩わし煩わしさもありなさもありな残酷な優しさに勝ち目なしわざとらしわざとらしわざとらし
That's just what I was thinking, Steve.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, so that's Budo Grape.
Yeah.
And
from Glasgow.
are they now?
No, they're not. No.
Where are they from?
Japanese.
Right.
It was called Zanko Kuna Yashashisha.
And that means?
That means, just off the top of my head, cruel kindness, I think.
That is the best kind of cruelty.
And kindness.
Yeah, at the same time. So, yeah. I think we should start cracking on now with the reading out the list of what's on at Salford Music Festival.
There's a
And
lot.
There's a great gig that I will most definitely be at. I'm sure a lot of people will be. And it's in St Trinity Church, which is that lovely church as you're going from Salford into Manchester near Victoria Bridge. It's on the bridge, it's on the left. It's a lovely little church there, opposite the Rovers Return, not the one off Coronation Street.
The real one.
Yep. And if you're coming from the other direction, it's on your right.
You're clever, you.
Yeah.
How did you work that out?
It's simple physics, Steve.
I'd have been Google Earth, baffled.
Would you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So right, let's start with the that Trinity Church gig then, and it's on Friday. Now you'd missed the Thursday ones, so there's no point in us talking about that really.
No.
But I'm sure it was wonderful. Right on Saturday, you've got this is a cracking lineup because they're all my friends.
This is what I'm going to try and get to this one.
So it's at the Eagle, which is if you don't know where the Eagle is, it's on Collier Street in Salford, M3 7DW.
Play up the turnstile.
Stop him. So that was JD Meat. Yeah, we're going to play him next. Yeah. So anyway, right. So Sacred Trinity Church. You have got. No, we were talking about the Eagle, wasn't we?
That was a Saturday. The Eagle.
Yeah.
The Eagle's a Saturday.
Yeah. So it's Taser Puppets at Poppycock, JD Meat Yard, who we're going to play next, and West Coast Sick Line. The night before, just round the corner. Now this is a cracking
Trinity
gig.
Church.
Band that I've been eagerly waiting to see for a while. That's Cabbage. They're the headlining at 10:15. They're on, and it's a lovely venue.
I've not been in there yet.
No, it's a really nice place. Obviously, it's an old church. It's the oldest church in Salford, allegedly. So you've got Jess Kemp at 7:30. Sounds of Thieves at 8:20. You've got Blaney. That's the organiser, Ed Blaney's band, and at 10:15. 10:15. Cabbage.
No, can you just point out?
I like Cabbage.
Sound of Thieves.
Yeah.
It isn't people outside around your car.
No.
It's the name of a band.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is. Yeah. And you've got plenty more. There's loads of stuff going on in Monton. Say on Friday you've got Fishing for Compliments, Shinny, Landslide, and
Flat Four. Flat Four, that's what I mean.
There you
There's
go.
too many good bands on all at the same time.
And then on that Salford Arms.
I know it turns back on. We'll let him play now.